Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitlement Backfires When She Did This to the Server on Her Birthday by Real Body Cam.
Ma'am, you have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't have an ID on you?
No, it's my birthday. I turned 55 today. I went to a steak place to have a nice steak. I waited there for 2 hours, and they didn't give me a steak.
All right. What's your name?
No, come on.
No, I didn't do anything.
Ma'am,
No,
I'm...
no, I didn't do anything wrong but go out to dinner.
She's had one too many cups of wine.
It's my birthday.
Okay.
No.
I need you to take a deep breath,
No.
and I'm going to advise you.
My dog just died. I went out to dinner for my
Okay.
birthday. I don't need this bullshit.
Somebody always dying when there's somebody going to jail.
Take a deep breath again.
She got more excuses than the N-word going to jail.
One.
Well, she's going to jail, but she's not, she's Karen.
One more time. I'm gonna
No,
tell you
what
to
are you
take
gonna
it.
do?
I'm gonna
Take
tell
a
you.
deep breath. Arrest me. I didn't do anything wrong. I
Ma'am.
didn't do
Ma'am.
anything
All right.
wrong.
If you
I
don't-
just wanted-
All right. Ma'am. I'm just trying to identify who you are while we. Ma'am,
For my birthday.
what is your name?
What's your name?
That
Ma'am.
woman, I would go back in there and
Ma'am.
beat the shit out of her.
Ma'am.
Why he look like he about to cry?
Like, police officer,
Ma'am, what is your name?
why do you care?
I just told you I'm identifying you because we are investigating a call.
He already
Okay.
knows about to go live. Look at him.
You're investigating a call of a customer who didn't get her meal. I
All right.
shouldn't get my meal.
We are looking into it.
I just
Okay. Ma'am,
I mean, come on. You know what?
No, stop.
It's just unbelievable.
Stop it. I just wanted a steak for my dinner.
you have. Hold on.
She can't take it no
All
more.
right. All right. All right. Where are you gonna sit? We're gonna sit right here on the stairs.
Oh my God. I wouldn't have been able to go nowhere.
Go ahead. Have a seat. All right. Do you have ID on you? All right. Can I please have it?
I didn't do anything wrong.
No one's saying you did.
We're just trying to identify you, okay?
That's all.
Thank you.
Never heard from these people, and then it was like, hey, look, what's going on with our dinner? And I don't know if it was, I don't know if it was 9:45. It was an hour and 45 minutes. I don't know if it was. I don't know what it was. My wife and I got up and danced to a couple of songs. Nobody ever came over to us. We were trying to figure out what was going on. We drank the bottle of wine. We've had no food all
The
day.
woman that came over to us at the end was an absolute.
And-
She
and-
was so mean.
And so
And I'm like, what is-
I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all got better patience than me, cause shit, I wait 10, 15 minutes and I don't get served. I'm gone. I'm getting the fuck out of there, or I'm gonna go get the manager. Be like, hey, what's going on? We've been sitting here for 15 minutes. What's up?
Like I came back and
And then
I said,
she put the steak down in front of us, and then she said, no, you can't have it. And then she took it away.
wait, let me finish.
Okay. Did things get physical at any point?
No. What
waved
she
the-
did was
I
she
waved the
did
napkin at her.
take her napkin and
I
throw
waved
it
a
up.
napkin at her. She took the plate, ran away from us. We was like,
I mean,
what are you
you know
doing?
what's
We
funny
just
is
wanna eat.
she left, and then the server came out with our meal, and the food was rare.
Yeah, I thought that's how y'all like y'all food. Never mind.
And it's like, really, 2 hours you can have a rare meal. She's like, I can't believe this. She threw a napkin up in her. Threw a napkin up.
Like I said again, y'all better than me, cause you throw something in the air at me, I'm putting my foot in your.
Like in
I think
in
your
disgust.
woman would have done that.
And she's like, you just hit me with your napkin. I mean, really? Is that what we're gonna talk about?
Whatever.
No physical contact,
28.
nothing. I mean, it's like,
It doesn't matter. Whatever they say, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be what it's gonna be.
we're not driving. We could have got in the car and, we're responsible human beings. So, whatever it is what it is. Live on Marco, live on.
Just stop.
Live,
Just stop. It
Huh?
doesn't matter. Just stop.
I mean, it
talking.
sucks. I
Stop
mean-
talking. Please stop talking. It doesn't
I mean, it's just
matter. It
ridiculous.
doesn't
It's your birthday.
Sir, you have ID on you?
What do you need my? I'm not involved.
I mean, you are involved. You guys were at
Where's your
dinner
involved? Give
together.
him your ID.
I'll be involved when I need to be involved.
Alright, so you want me to be involved. So can I have your ID?
Why do I need to be involved?
Because you were involved. You were at dinner
I'm a
with her.
witness.
Okay, I'm not.
Correct.
Exactly. So I'm,
Alright.
ma'am,
I'm just going right here. I'm not going.
Ma'am, just wait
swear to
right there.
God.
we'll let you sit down. Just sit down.
For Jesus Christ, she's 55 years old.
Just tell me what's happening.
We're investigating a call. That's what we're doing,
I do. They took my
Alright.
food away from me.
ma'am.
Can you tell me what
Just have a
area?
seat. I've been here the whole time, have I not?
I want to go home.
Okay.
I didn't do
I
it.
need you to sit down.
No, you know, you know what? I deal with police all the time. In a different way.
Not fair.
Just have a seat, ma'am.
We own restaurants at home. We understand what you guys do.
We're ready.
This is not fair.
I'll do
You
it.
know what's funny? Why do you have my idea and not hers?
We already took hers. We already ran her. There you go.
Yeah, no problem. I want to take a video of this whole situation as well and how it's being handled.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to stand up. All right. All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
At this point, yes, you are being placed into custody. So caller, advise that you committed battery. Okay.
How did she commit battery?
But I did it.
Okay.
But what do I do? I didn't do anything.
For tonight, you're gonna go to Naples Jail Center. All right?
To the
It's gonna be
jail?
out in the morning.
No, she's not going to be out.
This is wrong. You were supposed to be good guys. You were supposed to be the good guys.
That must have been a really good bottle of wine.
All right. You have anything on you?
You were
I'm going
supposed.
to take her.
All right, man.
You're supposed to
I
be
agree
the.
With her allowing you to, you will.
Yeah.
Not without that.
You
Okay.
This her husband, dude. Come on now. Sugar daddy, whoever he is. Come on now.
were
Ma'am,
can I
good
take
guys.
that?
You
Ma'am.
were supposed to be.
Is it okay if your husband takes your purse? Is there anything in your purse that you need?
No, I
Okay.
don't need anything.
Here you go, sir.
I'm pretty sure he the one that paid for it. Shit. Talk about she gotta have your
I'm gonna be
permission.
a proud person. Come on, let's go. Where are we going? Which car are we going to?
I wanna be a real boy.
Do you mind taking it? Alright.
Do you mind taking it? Why? Am I embarrassment to you?
No, so I can go and talk to the other officers.
Stuff for me, sorry.
Excuse me. You're gonna back up onto the sidewalk. Okay?
We only go off of.
You'll be put down as your next of kin on our booking sheet. We'll get a phone number for you. The jail will contact you when she's able to be picked up, okay? Get your contact number to include on the next of kin
What's your
information.
name?
Officer. I already told you that on
What's
camera.
his name? Thank you very
What's your phone number?
much.
All right. What you observe, sir? Just because I'm going to be doing the report, so I want to just from your point of view, what you see.
Yeah. So I'm here with my dad, 89, my daughter, ancient place, and then that's my daughter, niece. We were just sitting here, and we just witnessed her sitting here with her boyfriend. She was here by herself when we got here,
Okay.
and then she was being really like, so we just saw her by herself. She was surly, and then her boyfriend, her husband, came back, and they seemed fine. They scooched down a seat, and then the steak came out, complained it was undercooked. It went back, came back, and the hostess brought it back, was apologetic and sorry, hope this is fine. And then she started to go off. And then the lady in the pink dress, I call her, whipped the hostess in the face.
He gotta be colorblind because that dress red as hell.
Napkin twice.
Okay. Like whipped her?
Whipped her, yeah.
But she has a.
She has a mark on her eye?
Hold on, I gotta rewind that shit. Hold on.
Napkin twice.
Okay.
Like she started to go off. And then the lady in the pink dress, I call her, whipped the hostess in the face with a napkin twice.
Okay. Like whipped her?
Oh, you know what? Anytime, yeah, that's assault. That's crazy.
She has a mark on her eye? Alright, so
That's crazy.
yeah. Do you mind if we just go into the light? They said that you have a bruise. Central Office 28, 29 in Florida.
I remember it happening, but all the guests were like,
Is this it right here on your eyebrow? Just tell me what happened.
so I just came out on the floor. There was an issue with some guests in regards to their wait time and the temperature of their steak. I can't even believe this is what it's over.
The temperature of their
by the time I
steak.
got over there, they're trying to remake their food, and I'm trying to talk to both of the guests.
Yeah.
The gentleman was calm, but I never once assumed they were drunk, but the woman kept saying, just stop it. She's like, you're drunk, you're drunk. So I was like, okay, let me just go get their food, right? And he was shouting. He was like, I haven't eaten anything all day, so of course I'm drunk. He's like, all I've had is wine. And I was like, well, I'm just trying to get you fed. Let me help. And her whole demeanor, everything changed because I was like, well, she's got her back to me. And so she turned around, and then all of a sudden it was just like, she was like eyeballing me up and down. She's like, you effing. She's like, how effing dare you? She's like, how dare you? And I was like, ma'am, I was like, I don't really know what's happening. And she kept trying to like reach. I was like, please don't touch me. I go, you know what? And then she started like cussing. He was yelling, and I'm like, you know what? We're done here. I tried to help, and I went to remove their food, and I was ready to be like, it's time to go. Clearly, your time here is over. I'm not going to let you disrespect us.
Exactly.
I'm so embarrassed. I'm so sorry.
You should never be embarrassed. That was so unacceptable.
And I know she was saying stuff, so I'm sorry.
No,
about that. Thank you,
stop.
guys. It's okay. Hopefully you can enjoy the rest of your
No,
night.
seriously, I'm so sorry. You didn't deserve any of that. I'm so sorry.
Aw, she's such a sweetheart.
They like got the whole front row.
Put the napkin thing in there.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Twice, yeah.
Yeah, that's how you got the bruise. She like
I don't think
kind
it's a
of
bruise.
whipped.
I ain't never seen somebody get a bruise from a napkin.
I honestly,
Well,
she
it's
came
definitely a
around,
red
She
mark.
definitely came around and like whipped her arm. I was definitely hit, and you hear it. You can hear like everyone gasp, but I saw it was like her hand and her thing, but it was enough to
Okay.
make my whole head turn. You know.
Okay.
Pimp
And
slapped
then
by a
how did
napkin.
she act after that?
She stood up, like she
Okay.
was already up, and then she started interacting with those guests, and that's when I like kind of I had walked away to put the plate down, and when she was interacting with the other guests, I was like, that's enough.
So she was continuing to cause a
Yeah, she
disturbance.
was shouting a
He
lot of
stated
stuff.
that she made some rude
really
comments.
dirty,
Yeah.
inappropriate things. She was
So would
shouting.
you say that she was disorderly to the point where she was like
For sure, she was
disrupting
definitely
the
peace,
business?
Like the guests were.
what
the
is
guests.
your job title?
I'm one of our restaurant managers.
Okay.
Here, yeah. So it's
Perfect.
just me here.
Would
right
you
now.
like to also press charges for the
Definitely
disorderly
like
conduct?
trespassing and stuff. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so I could give her a trespass warning.
Yeah.
We could charge her disorderly conduct and charge her battery for striking you.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know how heavy that stuff carries, so I don't know.
It's not the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, I
It's
mean,
not.
do whatever
You're
y'all
not
have
like
to
ruining
do.
her life if
I
that's
mean, do
like
whatever
what
y'all
you're
have to
trying
do.
to
No
feel
one should
guilty
ever
about.
I mean, she reached. She was definitely
Yeah.
worrying. So, yeah,
I mean-
I feel bad because I can see all my crew is like watching me right now.
Yeah.
So,
That's all right. If you have a pen,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll go knock out the trespass warning for you so you have a record of it. I just need to get 2 photos, one normal.
Is this better light?
It doesn't matter. Wherever you won't feel like embarrassed about it. Yeah.
I don't even, it's probably not even red anymore.
No, it still is.
Damn.
All right.
I didn't realize like you can hear
Yeah.
me. Like you can hear
If
me.
you have
gas.
recording, that would be great. Can I see what you have recording? Oh, okay, I heard you like kind of gasped at the sound of
You
the.
can just hear.
It sounded heavy.
Oh yeah. Yo, ass going to jail.
Have any other videos? Does the restaurant have video of it? It looks like that might be a camera right there.
That camera, I think they were in a blind spot.
Oh, okay. So it wouldn't show exactly where they are. Okay. I'm assuming you want her permanently trespassed.
Hell yeah.
So I think the only thing I need from you is a signature right next to that X, okay? I mean, you don't have to feel bad. There were plenty of witnesses. It's not like they're making it up, you know? So here's your copy. And the whole thing is going to be under that case number. So the trespass and the battery. Okay?
The suspect was charged with battery and disorderly conduct. The suspect was issued a $1,150 bond, which she later posted.
She got it.
In court, she initially pleaded not guilty to both charges. However, her charge of disorderly conduct was later dismissed by the prosecutor. She later amended her plea to no contest to the remaining charge of battery and was sentenced to 6 months of probation. She was also ordered to pay a total of $622 in fines and court costs. The court additionally ordered her not to return to the restaurant.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share, as well as it helps the channel out tremendously. See you guys for the next premiere that is premiering right now. Right now. So click that pinned comment. Go to the next premiere. I think I'm gonna try to put like 2 more videos up for you guys tonight. Yeah. I love you guys. See you guys at the next one. And that's it, baby. Out.